Welcome back to the channel. We're out of the game. Another day on the road and back. It's just about 11 o'clock. The dogs have been out for a couple of walks. They've been watered. They've been fed. I haven't posted a video for a while because I've been practicing photography and especially birds in flight. So got it all sorted now. So it's taken me actually quite a few weeks just waiting and watching and learning, and that's what I've been doing. And recently I picked up a cane over the last 3 weeks. Been using the cane, use it for exercising, stretching, whatever. And there's a lot of places around here. I never walk on footpaths and stuff. It's always off-grid walking with the dogs. So when it's wet, there's some pretty slippery places. So this old tuku comes in handy. And I think this one is beach. It's got a derby handle on it. And been also using it for training self-defense, eye-hand coordination. A bit like the nunchuck. Those of you who know me know that I've done martial arts most of my life, taught combat, self-defense for years and years and years. And once you're a martial artist, you're always a martial artist. So I practice every day, whether it's with the keychain, unarmed combat, or knife training, and now the cane. But that's how it goes. I've been taking a lot of clips and videos, so I'll put up some bird photography that I've done, show you guys, and we'll see what happens throughout the rest of the day. Hopefully we can get out for a hunt in the next week or so. Be a good time to get out and hunt deer or pig, and get the dogs out for a blast, especially rain and patu. Yeah. Patu's on rabbit alert. He scored his first rabbit the other day, and he was pretty good. He brought it back and dropped it down in front of me and just left it to me, and now he's quite keen. And he leans on there like a person. He leans there for ages. Ollie's down here in the shade. Rain's in her usual place, and that's our day so far. So I'll keep you posted throughout the day. So I'll edit this video and put it up tonight because I've got tons of clips and videos and stuff in there. They all all jumbled up on the computer, so probably delete most of it. Don't know which is which. Anyway, that's us. Dogs have just been for a big run. Met up with Dingo, Willa, Pippi, the Saturday dog, forgot his name, and Roka. But Roka's holding a bit of an injury at the moment, so she can't get to run around and play with dogs, but all good. The healing is more important than running around. But anyway, that's us so far. Don't know if you can see that view through the lens, but there's a kingfisher sitting up there, so I'm just waiting for it to fly. So I'll put this camera down so I can actually see if I can photograph it, and I'll show you the photo in the video. in the video I posted now. Well, it's 1:30, we're still here. Dogs have been out for another couple of runs. They've been watered. It's a bit hot, so we're parked in the shade. And actually I managed to, Jeanette showed up to walk her dog, so when she came back I managed to get her to demonstrate some techniques with the cane for you guys. She's been a student of mine for a long time, and so she's just recently picked up the cane. She does a lot of stretching, strength training and stuff with the cane, and you know, as far as if her dog gets in trouble when she's out with the cane, she's can keep her dog safe and herself, and for self-defense situations. So watch the clip, it's only a short clip, and she managed to let me film her doing what we call a back off situation. And if someone rushes at you or goes to punch you or go to tackle you or go to bring a knife at you, and you've got this thing loaded and ready to go, then you're pretty much safe. So watch the clip and see what Jeanette can do with the cane. Well, that's just about our day done. Just going to give the dog some food, and their food for their last food of the day. So they're around here waiting. And thanks for joining us. We always appreciate your company.